spending. I spent till I'm dizzy, I get to them binges. I been winning. Ain't calling it quits, I'ma fight to the finish.
What's good, YouTube? Today we be we still at the range or whatnot. Same video, we grind and put it. Y'all, I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm talking about? Hit that like button, subscribe. You know what I'm talking about? All that good stuff. Today we're gonna be shooting the shotgun that y'all seen me got.
What?
I see y'all in the comments. Some of y'all said it's okay. Some of y'all said I should have got a Mossberg, but today we're gonna see what the GForce gonna do and how the recoil is. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm kind of nervous about the shotgun or whatnot. It's a 12 gauge pump shotgun, standard 12 gauge. Today we will be shooting. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I don't know nothing about shotgun bullets. I know it's slugs and pellets and birdshot. I just asked the dude though, what should I take to the range and shoot? And this is what he recommended. So this is what I'll be shooting today. Winchester, I guess that's AA or something. I hope he didn't set me up and give me a bullet that's gonna throw me back and knock me down. So let's see what's gonna happen. Let me get this gun loaded up. Okay, right now I put one slug in there because of the fact I wanna see how this gun feels before I do anything. So let's see what this one slug finna do to me, man. Let's find out. There you go.
Gotti!
Alright, the slug won't even shoot. Well, now I think it's gonna go in there. Okay, caught that time. Alright, we good, we live. It's for real. Woo! My first shot with a shotgun, man. 12 gauge. Hey, the recoil actually wasn't as bad as I thought. I can feel my shoulder a little bit, but other than that, it's good. I got my lovely assistant here with me today. She pulled it in for me. Y'all can see all these. This gotta be like birdshot or something because it's like a whole bunch of pellets. You saw the pellets? It's like they stay right there and then got a whole bunch of pellets. Other than that, it's pretty dope. It wasn't bad of a shot that I thought it was gonna be. So it's a 4+1. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the whole 4+1 in here. And I'm gonna see what's up with it. I ain't gonna lie, right here in my hand a little bit. You better hold that thing. All right, I just put 4 in here. I ain't gonna do the +1 just yet. We just gonna do the 4. So let's see what this 4 is gonna be like. Ooh, that motherfucking shell just came out. All right, we hot. The gun is clear. The gun totally clear. We're at a safe environment. We're at the gun range.
Oh, say less.
My lovely assistant keep coming up here with me. Boom. I knocked the paper off that thing, man. Let me go ahead and take the target off so y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? 2 headshots, couple body shots. So I don't think it's too bad for my first. So that's how it look. So yeah, I got my big bro with me today, you know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be his first time shooting shotgun too. So he finna see what that thing like. Load that thing up. You put one, you gonna go ahead and put one on top too? No, wrong way, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's why I have to come back here. Oh, my bad. Close that mother, big bro. There you go. Now flip it over. Push it in there, nigga. Just slide it forward. Yeah, push it in there. Now do the next one. See, talk about we all learning around here. Talk about this both our first time on a shotgun, but You know what I'm talking? We're gonna handle that thing. We're gonna let that gun handle us. That's 3 of them. You know what I'm saying? That's 4 of them. And then I think if you cock it, you can put 1 more in there. Cock. You just gonna do the 4? Alright, cock that bud. Did it fire? With a cock? Bro, every time I'm at this damn gun range, all my guns jam up. Let me see. That's another thing, y'all. I always just take my guns right out the box and shoot them. I don't never come like grease them up or nothing like I'm supposed to. Oh, he got it. Okay, we lit. Make sure y'all for safety for reals. Woo! Woo! Had that kickback. Yeah, that one got a little thump to it, but that one fun though. Headshot took him out. Ooh, that mud smoking. I seen that. All clear or whatnot. What you think?
Boy, if you don't.
What you think about it, bro?
Yeah, that bitch hit or whatnot. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, man.
That bitch fire though. It's nice. It's a nice gun. Regardless of what people say, it's a very strong shot.
We got a little strong shot. Hey, it's pretty accurate, bro. It's pretty accurate. We should have put it down there some more. All right, y'all. We did it up close though. Now we're gonna try to see how far this shotgun be accurate. So that's a little bit further. I don't think you should be shooting nobody through your house. Cause this will be more of a home defensive weapon. So I don't think you be shooting nobody that far across your living room. Well, you might will, but especially if you got a mansion. But most apartments and stuff, I don't think your living room that big. So we're gonna see. It's about a decent shot right. Yeah. Well, we'll even tap it back just a little bit. All right, boom. So let's see how accurate it is.
Look, that little black piece at the bottom. Hold it.
Bro, I don't know how to work this shotgun, y'all.
What's on here?
I know I pushed that little button already. Okay, there you go, just release. Alright, with the assistance of Big Bro helping me, we hot. I'm gonna go headshot first shot. Headshot first shot. And it was a nice little headshot. You wanna zoom in and show them that headshot? Alright, body shot. Ooh, gun smoke. Body shot. One more headshot. Oh, I missed. One more headshot. Touchdown. All right, we clear? I like the way the shotgun be smoking or whatnot. So we're gonna put it in, let y'all see what I did. That was like, I wanna say about 25 yards maybe. About 25 yards. I got one headshot was the first shot.
My nigga.
Then my second shot was a body shot. It was pretty good or decent. Then the second headshot I did, I missed. But I backdoored him with the second headshot right there. So, man, I'm kind of in love with the shotgun. I ain't gonna lie, the GForce, out of 1 out of,
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
on a scale from 1 to 10 is what I'm trying to say. I would give the shotgun a 9 because I know there's better out there and more stuff you can do and more attachments you can put on a shotgun. But me just having a shotgun, not a Mossberg, no fancy name, Remington or nothing, a GForce little $250 shotgun is pretty accurate for the most part at deep ranges. The kick is not bad at all for a first time shotgun shooter like myself and my brother. So give me like 2 months, I have my 11-year-old nephew shooting this once he get ready. So y'all wait for that video. But yeah, man, so we just finna kick it in the range and have a good time. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Hey, we out of here.
Yes, sir.
Binges, I been winning. Ain't calling it quits, I'ma fight to the finish. You know that we with it. Ain't never been average, my